Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 3. I welcome you all for the 7th lecture of mathematics, and I'm your teacher, Miss Saima. Dear students, our today's topic is perimeter, and we will do the page number 199 and page number 200 of your countdown book. Now students, we will see the definition of perimeter. The perimeter of any shape is total length of the boundary of the shape. Now students, meet the kitty. Kitty wants to have a walk around this rectangular field. So, Kitty covered first this distance, then she covered this distance, then she covered the distance in this direction, and then finally she came back on its original position. So, the total distance the kitty covered was A, B, C and D. So, perimeter of this rectangular field is equals to A plus B plus C plus D. So students, when we have to find the perimeter of any shape, we will add all its length sides. Now we have to do the example of the page number 200, that is find the perimeter of the given shape, and the given shape is the rectangular shape. Now this is the point A, this one is point B, this is point C and this one is the point D. The distance of AB is 5 centimeter, BC equals to 2 centimeter, CD is equals to 5 centimeter and DA is also equals to 2 centimeter. Now students, do you remember how we have to find the perimeter? So first write down the length sides of all given 4 sides, that is AB equals to 5 centimeter, BC equals to 2 centimeter, CD equals to 5 centimeter and DA is equals to 2 centimeter. Then you have to add all the length sides, that is 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2, that is equals to 14. So students, the perimeter of this rectangular field is equals to 14 centimeter. Now we have to find the perimeter of the given shape, and the shape is a square shape. Here this is the point Q, R, T and S. Now the length segment QR is equals to 4 centimeter, RT is equals to 4 centimeter, TS is equals to 4 centimeter and SQ is also equals to 4 centimeter. Do you remember that square have all 4 sides equal? Now first write down the line segment's length, that is QR equals to 4 centimeter, RT is equals to 4 centimeter, TS is equals to 4 centimeter, SQ is equals to 4 centimeter, and then add all these 4 values. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals to 16. Now the perimeter is equals to 16 centimeter. Now students, we have to find the perimeter of the triangular shape. Now this is point X, this is Y and this is the point Z. XY is equals to 3 centimeter, YZ is equals to 4 centimeter and ZX is equals to 4 centimeter. Now first write down the length segments. XY equals to 3 centimeter, YZ is equals to 4 centimeter and ZX is equals to 4 centimeter. Now add all these 3 values. 3 plus 4 equals to 11. So the perimeter of the triangular shape is equals to 11 centimeter. Now students, your homework task is to complete these example of page number 200 on your notebooks. You have to complete example A, B, C and D with the help of this video. Now students, Allah Hafiz, take care, thank you.